Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to delete Facebook page. Friends, if you have a Facebook page, sometimes you need to delete that page, right? There's many reasons behind of this. Friends, to delete your Facebook page, first you have to go to your Facebook apps. Then you have to open your Facebook profile, right? After that, you have to go on here at the menu at the top right corner. Then my friends, you have to tap on drop down sign. After that, you have to select your page, which page you want to delete. Like I want to delete first the gamer. Just tap on here to open it. And it is switching, right? You have to wait a few seconds. Done, my friends, right? After that, you will find here triple star at the top right corner, or you will find a logo. Just tap on here at the top right corner. Then you will find a gear options or settings at the top right corner here also. Just tap on here. Then my friends, you have to go on access and control. To go in these options, you have to scroll down. See my friends, here is access and control, right? Just tap on here. And you will find here deactivation and deletion, as you can see, right? And here is the forward options. Just tap on here, forward options. There's two options, deactivate page and delete your page, right? If you want, you can deactivate page, but now I'll delete my page, so I'll select the second one. After that, I have to tap on continue. Friends, you have to select the options why you want to delete your page, because Facebook is going to do a survey, that is why people are deleting their page, right? Maybe they can develop their options later on, that's why. So I'll select the first one. Then I'll tap on continue. Then my friends, there is some information, if you want you can download. Maybe you can use later on, that's why. After doing these steps, you have to tap on continue. Then you have to enter your password. After that, you have to tap on continue, right? To delete your Facebook page. Friends, you have to enter your Facebook profile password, because Facebook is confirming that you are the owner of the page and you are the owner of the profile. So that means if you are the owner of the profile, you have to have the password of your profile, right? So that password you have to enter here. Without entering the password, you can't delete your Facebook page, even the profile, right? So my friends, after entering the password, you have to tap on continue, and easily your Facebook page will be deleted from here. So friends, if you have any questions about deleting the Facebook page, you can ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.